Hey guys, today I wanted to cover a topic for those who are choosing the best agency for some of the work in your product or website, and I will show you how professional agencies are actually making their proposals. There are a few types of proposals, and for sure all of them are individual to every customer request. I'm sure every agency should do it like this. So today I will show you all different examples of my own proposal as a design agency founder, and we have been 6 years in the market, gained a huge expertise in UX. Let me show you how I give clarity to my clients about what they will get, and how we actually calculate budgeting, so you can evaluate agencies for your work that your company needs. Let's go. So let me walk you through a few examples. The first one is Notion. Also, we'll have a Google Slides presentation together with a G Sheet, like Google Sheet type of estimation. So I will show you the structure of each one and what do you include. The first is Notion kind of proposal, and I do it for the most simplistic projects that doesn't require a lot of description. So I include the request, where do I actually summarize what the client told me on discovery call, on intro call. The next one is a solution. I give clarity on what we are building and what tech stack we'll use. I would like to mention the predicted time frame as well, including the approach. Usually all of this is really individual, and I write it by myself, what I learned from the intro discovery call. Following that, I place relevant works, and in the end we will see the allocated team, including their allocation per week. So usually projects are estimated by hours, and they can be also divided by weeks. So the project is usually estimated by hours that the team spent to execute their work. Usually we calculate this time by weeks, since the project timeline is divided by weeks, and we place how many weeks we need for each person, what will be the required number of hours. Give you an example how much good professionals on those roles can cost around Eastern Europe itself. You can see the cost, and this is pretty. I demonstrated to the client, and their main goal is to offer as minimum as possible on the first milestone. So I'm placing here only like 5,000 milestone. The next one is a Google Slide option. I start with the agenda, go to description of our company, a really short one, so other people on the client side can better understand who didn't attend the call, about who we are. So this proposal could be potentially seen by other executives. Then we talk about investigations happened during the pre-sale process, where we kind of summarize and how we understood the main goal of the product. Really short form of request to narrow down everything we learned from the client about the project. For example, here we actually give a summary of main focus of the website redesign that the client expected improvements, like more in bullet point style, a bit broader. Here are all those improvements described in more details. We also did the analysis of their competitors, so the client can better understand that we actually put hours and put our investigation and efforts to create an offer for him. Solution vision already includes tech stack advice. Also, we present some of relevant works from our portfolio, including client email that was pre-approved, to give some background references. So it also builds higher trust. Webflow timeline. The proposal I'm showing you is actually anonymized at the moment for the video, but the real project was about website redesign, and I was comparing different stacks between Webflow and Next.js. They are a bit different in timeline. Already on the 16th slide, I'm showing the project quote, hourly rates, and here's actually the summary, because much higher details I show in Google Sheets. And this is my approach. I found that works good and clear for my customers, and I'm definitely constantly improving it. Yeah, because it requires improvements always. I have the scope, including all steps of the work, and I have example almost to every bullet point about what will be in the scope. So the full proposal is broken into some phases like discovery phase or website design or webflow development. Then I'm showing the team like putting down their roles together with required number hours per week, because another part is the timeline broken into weeks. I have also them divided by stages like all pages design, support, setup, development, integration, testing, polishing, and showing clearly when we expect the release. So it's transparently shows our process of work during every week and how many weeks do we actually need to release the milestone. Each member has the hourly rate, which number of hours is multiplied on. Yeah, this is how we get the total budget. Here we have also included few options. Sometimes you can negotiate with the agency about the discount to fit your budget expectations, and it will be all fine. Like every agency will find the way to optimize their budgets, somehow specifically for your approach. Sure, it has an option to not work out at all, but probably some negotiations will definitely happen. I show a few options to better understand client's expectation and find his budget ranges. I always throw out like cheaper and expensive version to have potential to upsell something, but still I always focus on high efficiency and negotiate with clients how to meet their expectations on both product development and design and budget side. So thanks everyone for watching this. See you in the next video.